Hey kids, are you ready for an adventure with Max the Mischievous cat? Today we're going camping under the stars. Grab your sleeping bags and let's go. Max sets up his tent in the backyard. But wait, what's that? Is it a ghost? Nope, it's just his friend, Sammy the squirrel, trying to help. They both decide to roast marshmallows over the fire. Yum! Max and Sammy tell silly ghost stories. Max pretends to be spooky, but whoa, he's more funny than scary. All the neighborhood kids join in, laughing and roasting marshmallows together. They even build a cool fort with blankets and pillows. As the stars twinkle above, our friends learn about constellations. Do you know the Big Dipper? Max might not be a super smart cat, but he sure loves to learn. So if you ever go camping, bring your friends, some marshmallows, and don't forget your favorite cat. Adventure awaits. Until next time, happy camping.